Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Focus RS, a hot hatch that's back and better than ever. Ford has really gone all out on this one, and if you're looking for an exhilarating drive that's also practical for everyday use, this could be the car for you. Let's jump into what makes this new Focus RS so special. First off, let's talk design. The 2025 Focus RS has a more aggressive look with an updated front grille, redesigned headlights, and sharper lines all around. It sits low and wide, giving it that race-ready stance. The massive rear spoiler and diffuser aren't just for looks, they add real downforce for better grip when you're pushing this thing to the limit. And let's not forget those 19-inch alloy wheels, which add to the whole performance aesthetic. Now, under the hood, we've got a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine. This little beast pumps out a thrilling 350 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. What's new here is Ford's updated turbo technology, which reduces lag and keeps power delivery smooth. And yes, for all you enthusiasts out there, it still comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. So, you'll get that pure, hands-on driving experience. Of course, power is nothing without control, and the Focus RS delivers. It's equipped with Ford's advanced all-wheel drive system, which has torque vectoring to keep you planted in the corners. Basically, it can shift power between the front and rear wheels, or even between each individual wheel, depending on where you need it most. Whether you're hitting twisty mountain roads or zipping through city streets, this car is built to handle it. Inside, Ford has added premium materials and tech upgrades. The Recaro sport seats hug you tight in the corners, and the new digital dash lets you see real-time performance data like G-forces and lap times. Plus, you've got a 12-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 4 system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging. So, who is the 2025 Focus RS for? Well, it's for the drivers who want a practical car that doesn't compromise on fun. It's a daily driver that you can also take to the track. The 2025 Ford Focus RS combines power, control, and tech in a way that few hot hatches can match. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, would you take this car for a spin? See you in the next video.